What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. It has been a minute since I have actually picked up the camera and just talked to it, vlogged to it. I've uploaded other things in the past couple weeks, but I actually sit down and vlogged. It has been a minute. Now, if you guys are new here, my name's Chris, and I'm currently on a photography endeavor, creating content endeavor, documenting my life endeavor. That is what I have been doing over the past 6 months of this year. Over the past month and a half, my life has been twisted upside down. So let me quickly fill you in. So if you're a subscriber, I have moved. I am in a new apartment with my fiance. It is much larger. Now, I moved into this apartment and then was here for a week and hopped on a plane and went to New York. Now, while I was at New York, I took multiple photos that I thought were absolutely amazing. And then last night, I got my film photos developed and I thought those turned out crazy. I shot those on the Ricoh R1S with the CineStill 800T film, and I think they were sick. And on top of all of that, I am currently planning my wedding with my beautiful fiance. So needless to say, my life is absolutely crazy right now. And I'm also currently trying to figure out how to start making photography, content creation, kind of a full-time thing. How do I just start making like a side income? Like, I feel like over the past 6 years, I have been putting in a lot of time, a lot of effort with creating content, making photos and everything like that. And I feel like I have these skills, but I'm not capitalizing on them. So over the next 6 months leading up to my wedding, my goal is to start making an income from photography, from content creation, and I think I'm just going to share it all through vlogging. And I also want to share with you my new content strategy going into the next 6 months of 2025, because I have completely changed it. I flipped my head on everything and I want to share it with y'all. But first, dude, what a beautiful day it is today. It's like 88 degrees outside and it's beautiful. I needed to get out of the house and I'm so happy I came here. I love this view, but let's actually get in and talk about my new social media strategy going in for the next 6 months of 2025. All right, so I quickly want to talk about my social media content strategy going into the next 6 months of 2025. Because I feel like I've kind of weirdly, not cracked the code, but I found something that's been working for me and I want to share it. So pretty much what I've done is I've niched down into a specific category, specifically photography. And over the past 4 years of going hard, creating short form content, I thought I could just create whatever I wanted and I was going to grow. And unfortunately, that's not the case. Over the past 4 months, I have yet to break 1,000 followers on Instagram. And over the past 4 weeks, I've gained 50 followers from just posting whatever I feel is right, taking less time to create the videos and capturing more on my phone and sharing more content through my phone and not my nice camera. I've just been creating easier, simpler videos in my photography niche. It's been enjoyable. I've also taken out all the rules that you might think that you need to follow. Upload only once a day, upload 3 stories a day, don't upload every single day, upload every single day. Nah, I uploaded twice today. I've uploaded 3 times. Like last week, I think on Wednesday, I uploaded 3 times. 2 reels and a carousel post. I just have been not caring and just going off of vibes, and it's been working out very, very well. Now for TikTok, I just don't care about that app. I put whatever random video comes to mind in my photography niche, and I just upload that on there. It's kind of like my trials. Like if the video does well on TikTok, then I'm going to upload it on Instagram. Now for Instagram specifically, they came out with an app called Edits, and they've been pushing videos that are made with that app. Pretty much it's a video editing app, and when you upload a video that you've done through there, it says made with edits on Instagram. And I've noticed the videos that I do through there get more views than me just uploading the video to Instagram. So I've been doing that for every single video. Even if I edit the video in my computer, I will export that, upload it to the Edits app, export it from there, upload right to Instagram, and it gets more views. Pretty much what I'm saying is what's been working for me. Now, this is what's been working for me. I know there's other things that you could be doing, especially if you're a creator that is focusing more on quality over quantity. And I've done that, but I'm flipping it and I'm just uploading whatever I feel is right. I've been going off of vibes. I've been recording more on my phone, and it's been more enjoyable. I've been getting more views, and I'm able to upload more consistently and just share more. And I think that is a better game plan than uploading quality over quantity. I don't know. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, make sure you follow me on Instagram, so in that way you can see, try it out for yourself, and come back and let me know what you think, if it's working for you or not on this video. That's good coffee. It's now Friday. It's currently 6:23 at night, and I figured I would give you guys a quick little apartment tour without showing too much, because if you guys want, I might do a whole video showing my apartment. But everything's basically set up now. Let me just start with where I'm at here. So this is the office. This is my little setup here. Gaming computer. It's kind of a mess right now. I was making short form content, yada yada yada, but I enjoy this. I finally have like an actual space with some room. We do plan to get a little day bed right here. Got my guitar. Haven't had a guitar in like 3 years, and it feels so good to play. I love playing the guitar. Maybe I'll introduce that into my content. But front door, boom. This is what you see as soon as you get in. Close. Laundry room right here. But the kitchen, dude. The kitchen is so nice. I love the wood. And then, boom. The living room. The piece of resistance. We just got this couch yesterday. It was absolutely, fantastic. Shout out to Bob's Discount Furniture. I love that couch. And then me and my fiance set up these shelves yesterday, or maybe Wednesday night, and I was gonna record myself setting them all up and like making it look nice. I'm not that guy because I get frustrated very easily. And those were a pain. We actually built everything in here, so very glad that is done. And then, of quickly show you the main room. King bed, so nice. But it's a quick little tour. I don't know, I just really enjoy this apartment, and it's my favorite apartment that I've ever lived in. It is now Sunday, and I feel like this week has been absolutely crazy. I was able to upload 5 pieces of short form content this week, and I think that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to follow my short form content photography journey, follow me on Instagram at chris2s's.lynch. But before I actually end this video, one of the things I talked about is I'm planning my wedding with my fiance, and it's less than a year away now, which is crazy. So I wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing for my groomsmen. So they're getting a box, and when they open it, it's gonna say it's time to suit up, and then I put a photo and I just write them a little note. But it's time to suit up plays into the actual gift that they get. So I bought every one of my groomsmen and my 2 best men watches. So they all get a watch, and I feel like most of the time when you get something from a groomsman, it's all kind of the same thing. Some alcohol, a glass, things like that. So I figured I would give them a watch that signifies them being a part of my wedding. So I don't think anyone that I'm giving these to watch these videos, so I think I'm in the clear. Plus I've pretty much asked everyone so far. But yeah, that is it. Also, I bought a camera this week, and it's gonna be here on Wednesday. So when I unbox that, I'm going to share that with you guys, because I've been looking for a camera that is my everyday camera that I can just bring with me everywhere that I go. And I have a Sony a6700, but I find with this camera, when I bring this, I overthink it because it shoots both photo and video. And I've wanted a Fuji camera for a while now, so I pulled the trigger on a Fuji camera. I got a really good deal, and it's just meant to be my everyday photography camera. Like when I go on trips, when I go on just personal stuff, and just to constantly have a camera on me. Like if I were to do client work, I would be shooting it with my Sony a6700, because it's just nicer, and I know the image is just gonna be good. But I want something that the image is not always going to be good, and it's going to challenge me, and to bring with me. So it's a Fuji camera. Take your guesses on what it is below. But that is the video. I hope you guys enjoy these vlogs. Yeah, my life's crazy, and I feel like I have this standard of what a vlog should be like, and sometimes you just have to push that out the window and just talk to the camera and hope people watch it. So if you made it this far, drop a like. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Anyways, peace.